leader. I got the alpha guide, but everyone believes ya.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Confident Lips. Feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos like these. Okay, so I got my package this afternoon, so I decided to come on YouTube and show you guys it, right? I did order some VERSAGEL, and it's the first time that I'm ordering the 3.5 pound bag of VERSAGEL, so I just want you guys to see like how big it is and stuff like that, right? So obviously, since I got some lip gloss base, I would be making some business videos soon, right? So let's just get this thing open. Packaging. Okay, this is how big it is, right? This is how big, and it has, it does have a lot in it. Let me bring it a little closer. This is how big it is, right? So this is it. This is how big it is. I mean, the pack isn't really full up as expected, but it has a real good amount in it, right? And if you want to know, like, excuse me, how much I paid for this and the shipping fee, message me on Instagram, because a lot of people might want to know, okay, well, since this is 3.5 pounds, approximately how much would it be to clear it? So I'll tell you how much I paid to clear it, and I'll tell you how much I spent for it. Just message me on Instagram right? So this is the end of this little unboxing videos. You would definitely see more business videos coming soon. I'm really excited for that because I have not made lip gloss for such a while. But this is the end of the video. Feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos like these.